Hello, Amy. How you doing? Thank you very much for clicking this video. This is Lucas. We talked earlier today, and this is the video I was telling you about of the three things that I found on your website that you can easily fix so you can start beating Wire Masters Electric, which are the guys that show on the first result on Google when you look for an electrician in Miami. So you may wonder why I put this video together for you, and it's simply because I know a lot of business owners are too busy helping their customers and they don't have time, or business issues and they don't have time to learn how to do all these things online, how to make the internet get them more business, or even when it comes to hire somebody to do that for them, they don't know who's really an expert or who's not. So I like to do these educational videos and send them for free so you can see these things, and a lot of business owners take the tips and implementing themselves, but some of them they contact me back and they have me doing that for them. All right, so that's it. Well, the things I want to talk about are citations, content, and backlinks. And I'll start with content. Content would be everything that is on your page, all the text, pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and as well how what is behind those pictures. And I see you have a lot of pictures, calls to action on your website, a lot of fun things that makes people stay longer. So that is great. The only thing is that we want to make sure that all that content is keyword oriented. So when we paste it on the word counter, we see that you have 713 words. Usually Google, for websites that are ranking on the top, they like to see around 2000 words. And as I said earlier, they like keyword oriented content, so they know what services you're offering and what they should find you for. A keyword is basically, for example, Electrician Miami. Look, these guys have 1300 words. So that's one thing. Like, implement the content and make sure that you're keyword oriented. And as I was saying, a keyword is basically a term that somebody's looking for online on Google, like Electrician Miami. You want to mention that several times. Well, that one and some more that we will research in order to mention them several times so Google can find you for those terms when somebody look them up. Okay. Second thing would be backlinks. A backlink is basically your website mentioning another website. So this address right here mentioned in another website, that when somebody clicks on it, it drives the traffic back to here. All right. And by that, you can use a tool called Ahrefs, which is this, that it tells you how many referring domains do you have at the moment on this address, and you would have 5 referring domains. Okay, when your competition has, where Masters Electric has 76. One thing is that not all backlinks are created equal. Some of them are more important than others, because this is like a popularity contest. Google likes to see websites within the same niche vouching for you. Okay, so like when other electrician or a website that maybe publish electrical related articles or stuff like that, they like that a lot. It's not the same that if, for example, a Pizza Hut or like a blog that talks about shoes put a link to your website, okay, on there is on Google. So how you beat them with this? The easiest way is you go here and you go through every single one of the referring domains. You sign up, you sign up with an account, and you put a link to your website in there. That way, these domains, if they're good to rank them, they're good to rank you as well. Okay, so that's one thing, and then you can add some extra ones in order to beat them and make it hard for them to catch up with you. And the last thing I want to talk about is the citations. So in order to get on top of the MacPack right here, you need to build more citations than your competition. How you do that? By listing your business information in several directories throughout the web, like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp, Facebook, etc. The best way to do it, the good thing about this is that it's completely free. Okay, and the best way to do it is you check how many citations your top competition has. And for example, if they have 150, I would go for 300. At least 100 more. So again, the same as with the backlinks, when they realize that you outrank them and they start to build more citations, you do the same thing, and it makes really hard for them to ever catch up with you. So a little recap on everything. The things that you need to be here on the very top on the Google Map pack and also on the very top of the organic results would be implementing your content with about 2,000 words of keyword rich content. Then build a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start doing by copying all the backlinks that your competition has. And last, build your citations. Go check how many citations they have and build at least 100 more. Okay, so if you like what I just told you, please get this information if you want and do it yourself. But if you want me to help you doing it, please contact me. Or if you have any questions during the process, feel free to contact me at any time and I'll gladly help you. My recommendation on all this is that you start as soon as possible, since all these things take some time to implement. And the sooner you get it on the top, the sooner you're gonna start getting all those extra calls. All right. The only thing I'd ask you, if you don't mind, is giving me a little bit of feedback on this video, because that would really help me. Thank you very much.